Brrr. Hi everyone, hi, welcome back. Today I will share 5 tips you should consider when signing your art. Signing your art is not just a formality, it's a creative part of your process and it also connects you to your artwork. Let's dive in. 1. Your signature becomes a part of your art. Think of signing your painting as the last period of a beautiful sentence. It's your way of saying, this piece is finished, this piece is done, and it can go out in the world. But here's the thing, when you sign your artwork, it becomes a part of your artwork. So make sure you really develop a signature that fits your style and your narrative. And a lot of us feel like our work is not good enough to sign. I get it, but don't let the self-doubt stop you. Sign your artwork. Trust yourself and be proud of what you create. 2. Your signature is your logo. Your signature represents you as an artist. Think of it like your personal branding, your personal logo, your personal design. Something that's recognizably you. For me, my signature is truly a logo design. It's my initials, R&D, woven together in a circular motion and just in one design, minimal, and that totally fits my style. It's amazing if your signature is part of your artistic style as well and also fits a total composition of most of your artworks. You can use your signature in numerous ways. You can make it in different colors, different sizes. You can write it full out or just use initials like I do. Whatever it is, just make it yours. 3. Be creative with your signature. So once you have your signature, you can play around with it. You can use different mediums like a brush or a brush pen or a stamp. You can even use different colors and different placements. When I'm signing my art, I always use my initials on the front or on the sides. I don't write out my full name, I only do that on the back. It's truly just all about finding what feels right for you and what fits your art. But speaking of creativity, if you sometimes have trouble finding balance in your paintings, maybe my composition cheat sheet will help. It's a glimpse in my botanical sketchbook. You can download it for free. You can find the link in the description. Make sure your signature is readable and recognizable. While being creative with your signature is great, but make sure everyone can read it. You just want people to connect with your art and with you. If they find a painting in a couple of years or a couple of months and they want to know who the artist is, they want to read your signature. If it's unreadable, they won't be finding you. And you will maybe lose customers there, but also people that would maybe appreciate your art. If your signature is too cryptic, it can get lost and that would be a waste. 5. Signature placement. It's important where you sign your artwork. It can be part of the composition, but you don't want to take it away from the composition, so you always have to think about it. And in some cases, you will do it different with different artworks, and that's totally okay. Just be consistent with the design of your signature. The most traditional way is signing in the left bottom corner. But maybe that doesn't fit your painting, so you can sign on the side or maybe on the right bottom corner. What fits your style? There are no rules here. There are only tips to make sure your signature is great, recognizable, readable, and people can find you. If you still need more help of how to create your signature, I created a blog post on my website. You can find the description the link below in the description. Thank you so much for watching. I would love to hear about your signature style. How did you come up with the design of your signature? Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next week.